Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain with some good news. We're on our final approach to Frankfurt Airport. The city of stunning skylines, rich history and delicious pretzels is just a few minutes away. Right now we are gliding down through the clouds, getting ready to touch down in a few minutes. If you peek out the window, you might catch a glimpse of the River Main winding through the city, or maybe even the towering Frankfurt skyline. We are currently on the ILS Yankee approach, runway 25 right. Can you see the Frankfurt Stadium? I hope you can see the airport and the runway already. And now enjoy the rest of the approach in real time. In a minute we can check if our parking position is available already.
1000.
Passing Terminal 2 now. It looks so slow, but the approach speed was 123 knots. In a second we will pass our parking gate A1 Alpha 1. And whoever is familiar with this parking position knows why it's so special. We're gonna find out in a minute. Now enjoy the landing.
400. 300. 100 above. 200 minimum.
Prepare for the smooth touchdown.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. Retard. Retard.
Welcome to Frankfurt, ladies and gentlemen. Nice landing, well done by the first officer with the Airbus A319. And as always, slowing down to taxi speed. And then we are vacating to the left, via taxiway Papa 16. What a beautiful sunrise at 7 o'clock in the morning. We are passing the fire station, hopefully never needed, and we pass a spotting location at Frankfurt Airport, but nobody's there yet. We taxi across the bridge, which is above a highway. Aircraft parked at Lufthansa Maintenance 787, 747 and 340. Lufthansa Cargo 777. Turning left now onto taxiway November. Left hand side, the A pier of the Terminal 1. The next taxiway to the left and all the way at the end is Alpha 1, our parking position. Lumi is already expecting us and it's mandatory for this parking position. We're not allowed to taxi in here on our own. Initially, we follow the yellow line on the ground where it says Alpha 1. Lomi's car is blocking the service road and then he's getting off his car. Keep taxiing towards the terminal until the marshaller gives us the sign to turn right. Old markings of a DC-9 on the ground. Now we have to turn right. The marshal are giving his signals. We have to follow him strictly here, otherwise we would be too far to the left or too far to the right. Straightening out the nose gear, couple more meters, and then stop. Thanks for watching and auf Wiedersehen.